Hi guys, let me show you how I made this stuffed fried dumpling with saltfish, and I know you guys would like it. This is just a bite-sized meal, very quick and very easy. So I'm gonna start off by having my bowl. I'm gonna use 3 cups of flour, and I'm using all-purpose white flour. This is the best flour to use when you're gonna fry dumpling. I then added half a tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 big tablespoon of butter. Before adding any type of water, you're going to ensure that you mix the butter throughout the flour and ensure that it's spread evenly. After you mix in the butter, you're gonna then add 1 cup of water. You're not gonna add this all at once. You're gonna add it periodically and then knead as you go along, because you don't want your flour to spoil. Because if it's spoiled, then it's gonna be a hard time getting it back to where you want it to be. So as you see here, I'm adding a little more water, and then you're just gonna take your time and knead your flour, knead your dough. It should come together like this, and then as I said, you just knead until it gets to the consistency that I'm going to show you right here. So it should look like this, and you're going to put it to rest for about 7 to 10 minutes. So I already prepped my veggies that I'm going to use with the saltfish. I have half of a carrot, half of a Scotch bonnet pepper without the seed, 3 garlic, half of a red sweet pepper, and half of an onion. I'm gonna heat the oil on medium heat. I didn't get to show you guys the saltfish, but I added about 1/4 pound of saltfish with the vegetables, and I'm just gonna saute that for about 5 minutes. I'm just gonna add some black pepper. You don't need to add any other seasoning to this. I did portion out the dough in small portions, like small circles, and then I'm going to roll it out with a rolling pin, or you can just use your hands like you see me doing here. Then I'm gonna add the filling inside. You're gonna then flip the other side over and use a fork to seal the dough so it doesn't come out. In some oil on medium heat, I'm then gonna fry the dumplings, and then you're gonna fry it on each side for about 6-7 minutes. You can cook them for a maximum time of about 10 minutes, but it depends how brown you want them to look. I cooked mine for about 7 minutes on each side, as I said. I'm then gonna flip those over, and then once they fry, that's it. Very quick and easy bite-sized fried dumpling stuffed with saltfish, and let me tell you, this is so good, and it was flavorful the way that I made it. And I hope you guys try, and I hope you guys like it. I know a lot of person eat saltfish and dumplings separately, but I want you guys to try it this way that I made it, and see if you like it. I hope you guys subscribe. I will be posting my recipes on here. So if you follow me on Instagram and you want the full recipe, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Bye.